It is a challenge to build a strong platform, and yet has to keep the weight of the platform to be less than 10 pounds. I used the electric conduits, PVC pipes, 2x2 wood pieces and lashings to build the frame for the bolts. There were many components, and for my very first pontoon catamaran sailboat, all this can be stuffed inside a small car. The boat itself weighed over 60 pounds without the sail. It took me about 45 minutes to assemble the whole boat. I've improved on my second pontoon boat, and I reduced the weight to 30 pounds, but it still took me 15 minutes to assemble the boat. I wanted to further reduce the weight of my third pontoon boat, and I did cut corner. The result wasn't that great. I could have fixed it by redesigning the platform, but then while I was designing this boat, building this boat, I discovered the heat fusion method. Therefore, I said to myself, I'm going to redesign the whole boat using modular approach rather than fixing the problem I have with my third boat. Since I have two 10mm thick cordless sheets, I want to use it to create a platform. The 10mm thick cordless is not designed to bear loads. The spacing of the pontoons will be between 6 to 8 inches, and I will have to test it, see if it works. Or do I need extra weight to strengthen the cordless? But then this will add weight. All the structural pieces will be integrated onto this cordless, and hopefully will make the assembly faster, maybe overall even lighter. Now I realized I have to build the pontoons before I can complete the platform design. This is how I'm going to pack all the pieces together for transportation. The big question is, how do I join the pontoons together? I'm working on this piece, and I will share this in my next video. Please stay tuned. See you later.